So the next thing that I want to illustrate is there is probably a difference between John and I, which is John is in crypto investor, right?
I will say I'm not even an investor, but we can have that conversation another time.
Okay. Oh, actually, I want to hear a bit about it today. I think we have time for it. But I'm a crypto trader, so I'm very bullish on.
Crypto trading expert.
They call me the crypto prophet. I'm getting T-shirts made and custom beanies. I would love to share my charts with people. If anyone's interested in looking at some technical analysis on Bitcoin for how I've timed my entries and exits and been very successful getting in and out of Bitcoin for this whole ride over the past couple months. So John G, I know you're hodling, right?
Yes, I would be glad to look at those charts as well. I'd be very interested. I do have a portion of my crypto available for trading, but it's something I like to avoid. I mean, just hodl it. That's what you need to do. Here's the thing with crypto. If you sell your crypto, someone else is buying your Satoshi. They'll buy them right up here at the 28,000, just over 28,000 right now. And honestly, like, I know people are calling different price points. My thesis is 300K end of this bull run. I don't know when this bull run ends. I'm thinking maybe 2022. We'll see. I have a decent case for the 300K. Considering it's at this point, I think accepted as the digital store of value.
Wait, bring me back on.
Okay. What do you got to say?
In good faith, I don't think that you can say that this bull run will put crypto to 300K.
Well, how do you say that? Why do you say that?
The thing's already tripled in price. It's at 28,000, so it needs to go up 8x.
If you look back at the 2017 bull run, you will see many dips, and this is where Neal's trying to play these dips. They happen frequently, anywhere from 25 to 35%. People get scared out of their positions. They sell the dip. Buy the fucking dip. Seriously, buy the fucking dip. I think it could easily dip. I don't know what it's going to dip to. My biggest fear of selling my Bitcoin is not being able to catch the dip. So it dips. I got cash to play. I'm buying more. I buy more right now. Dollar cost averaging. Just buy Bitcoin. This thing's going to 300K. It's a store of value. Time frame, I don't know. I think 2022. Maybe it's 2024. It's going to be the best. It was the best buy of the last decade. It's going to be the best buy of this decade. You can make a case for Ethereum maybe competing in it, but I think that's an even longer term play. But
all right, Neal.
Don't sell your Satoshis. Don't sell your Satoshis. Go ahead.
Neal, so what's your shorter term play on it then?
So my shorter term play on it is price target around $35,700. Okay. Why? I can illustrate that for you. If we look at Bitcoin going back to that initial crazy spike up that we had back in, what was that, the end of 2017, John?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So like, okay, yeah. 5-year chart in my mind. Okay, I see it. 5-year chart.
Okay, and then take that all the way to where we are today. What we've done is just broke out of what you call a double bottom breakout pattern. What I did was recognize that was happening and waited to get in at around 19,732, which is about, I mean, that's pretty close. I mean, it's give or take dollars, but with Bitcoin, it's you can do that. That's where I waited to get in. Once we confirmed that, I piled in like crazy. Because with a double bottom or with any rounding bottom pattern, the base of that bowl shape, of that saucer shape, up to the previous apex is actually what you're adding to that apex. So it's the base plus the apex creates your price target. So in this case, where we're heading to right now is about 35.7K.
So what I'm going to do, price target, your technical short-term price target is 35,700. We hit that, what do you do?
It depends on what happens. So immediately I will sell off about 20% and take profit. I will expect many others in the space to do exactly the same thing because there are a bunch of wise guys looking at the chart doing the same exact thing. They're saying this is an opportunity to take profit. It's going to probably consolidate at that point, do a little zigzagging before it starts to go back up again. So at that point, I will look for another dip based on previous support. I don't think we'll go all the way back down to the 19.7 handle. I think that we'll have some form of sideways consolidation, and I'll just play that dip and get back in, averaging back in.